If you're looking to add YouTube videos to your website backgrounds on WordPress, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can do that step by step without having to take up a lot of bandwidth. Videos as backgrounds can be a great way to engage your audience and get their attention when they first land on your website. It's well known that if a person lands on your website, they only have a couple of seconds before they actually decide on whether they want to stay or if they want to leave. So it's very important that you capture their attention and you get them to stay. And one of the best ways that you can do this is by having a video. But a big mistake that these beginners make is that they upload these videos straight onto WordPress itself. This is the wrong way to go about it because it's going to slow down your website. What you should do instead is embed the video into your website background. And to do this, there's going to be one main method that I show you. And while there are a lot of other methods that you can use, this one's the easiest to do as a beginner and it's also free. So how we're going to do this is through a plugin called Advanced WordPress Backgrounds. And this plugin is basically going to allow you to add a background block on your WordPress website. And from here, you can add a video, a color, or an image as a full screen background. So here I am on my WordPress dashboard. And right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the plugins and I'm going to go ahead and add a new one. And so like I said, it's going to be called Advanced WordPress Backgrounds. So I'm going to go ahead and type that into the search bar. And here it is right here, AWB. I'll go ahead and install it and then also activate it. And once that's done, you can go to the post or the page where you want to add the YouTube video as a background. So I'll go over to the pages right here and I'll add a new page. And now that I'm in the WordPress block editor, I'll go ahead and click on the plus button right here. From there, I'll go over to the search bar right here and I'll type in background. And now as you guys can see, background by Advanced WordPress Backgrounds is right here. I'll go ahead and click on that. And from here, if I go ahead and select it, I can see on the right hand side that I can choose between a color, an image, and a video. Since we want to add a YouTube video, we'll go ahead and choose the video tab. And then we'll have two different options, YouTube and Vimeo or self-hosted. For this one, I'll choose YouTube since I have a YouTube video URL. So let's say I've found my video and I'll go ahead and paste it right here. You guys can now see that it is playing in the background. By default, it's going to go ahead and disable it on mobile devices. So if you want to enable it, go ahead and toggle this on. You can also change the time that it starts and it ends through these right here. You could change whether it loops or if it just plays it once. And you could choose if it always plays, even if it's not in the viewport. And you can also mess around with the video opacity. So if I want it to be a little bit more transparent, I can go ahead and mess with this. And yeah, you guys can mess around with all the different settings right here. But to actually add something on the page, I just have to click on the plus sign to add a block. I can add anything that I want. So let's say I want to add a paragraph. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now I can basically type whatever I want. Let's just change the text of the color to be white so that it doesn't blend in too much with the background. And from here, I can type it out, whatever I want. And as I type it out, you guys can see that it's going to expand the video. You can also mess with the dimensions of the padding and the margin here. So for example, if I want the stuff inside to be in the middle, I can go ahead and increase the padding as well as the margin. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys can mess around with it and add anything you want. Hopefully you guys got some value out of this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Here on this channel, we make a lot of how-to guides and tutorials like this for people that want to build their first website. So yeah, if you guys are interested in actually building out your first website, we have a free service where we can set up your first website for free. So check that out using the link down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.